Did you know that FPV drones can reach speeds of over 100 mph, offering a breathtaking, immersive flying experience like no other? Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into FPV flying or an experienced pilot seeking high-performance gear, today we're ranking the best FPV drones you can buy on Amazon. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown. And don't forget, all the links are in the description. Number 6, BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV Drone Kit. If you're just getting started with FPV drones and want an all-in-one package, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV Drone Kit is a great beginner-friendly choice. This ready-to-fly kit comes with everything you need: drone, transmitter, FPV goggles, batteries and a charger, all neatly packed in a storage bag. The 3 flight modes, normal, sport and manual, cater to different skill levels, making it an excellent training tool. Normal mode provides altitude hold for easy hovering, sport mode offers a bit more thrill with faster speeds, and manual mode lets you go full acro for advanced flying. The drone handles well both indoors and outdoors, and its durability makes it forgiving for beginners. However, some users have reported that the frame isn't as sturdy as they'd like, and replacing it can be a hassle. The FPV goggles are decent for entry-level flying but lack DVR functionality, meaning you can't record. While it's a budget-friendly choice, its video transmission range is shorter than competitors, making it more suited for casual flying than high-performance maneuvers. Number 4. BETAP EAP AFPV Aquila 16 FPV Drone Kit. The BETFPV Aquila 16 FPV Drone Kit offers another fantastic RTF, ready-to-fly, setup for beginners, but with a few upgrades over the Cetus Pro. The inclusion of a DVR-equipped FPV goggle set means you can record your flights, something missing from the Cetus Pro. It also has an improved optical flow sensor and barometer for more precise altitude holding, making it easier for beginners to hover steadily. The durable PA12 frame provides better crash resistance, but the drone's weight can make it less agile compared to competitors. One downside is that it uses proprietary batteries, which limits third-party options. Compared to the Cetus Pro, it offers a more polished design and better video recording capabilities, but it's not as powerful or feature-rich as the Avata 2. And number 3, Holy Stone HS360E GPS-E. For those who want an FPV drone with GPS functionality, the Holy Stone HS360E is a solid option. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it a convenient choice for casual pilots. It features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, EIS, helping reduce shakes, though it lacks a mechanical gimbal, which can result in some instability in dynamic shots. The GPS-induced features like auto-return and follow me add convenience, making it a beginner-friendly option. While Holy Stone claims a 20,000-foot transmission range, real-world performance often falls short, especially in areas with interference. When compared to the DJI Avata 2, it offers a budget-friendly alternative, but doesn't come close in camera quality or flight stability. If you're looking for an easy-to-fly drone for casual aerial photography, the HS360E is a great pick, but professionals might want to look elsewhere. Number 2. Velcase Drone with 1080p camera. The Velcase Drone is an entry-level FPV quadcopter aimed at beginners and kids who want to experience FPV flying without breaking the bank. It has a 1080 ED-HD camera, though it lacks stabilization features, meaning footage may not be the smoothest. The foldable design makes it ultra-portable, and it comes with beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff/landing, 3 speed modes, headless mode, and 360 DG flips. While it's fun to fly, its lightweight build makes it struggle in windy conditions. Unlike the Holy Stone HS360E, it lacks GPS functionality, making it a bit less advanced. Compared to other budget drones, the Velcase stands out with its foldable frame and extra features like gesture control, but for better video quality, the Holy Stone or DJI Mini 2 SE would be a smarter pick. Number 1. Potensic Atom C GPS drone with 4K EAS camera. Taking the top spot, the Potensic Atom C GPS drone is the best balance of affordability, performance and features. Like the Holy Stone HS360E, it's a lightweight drone under 249 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. It boasts a 4K camera with EIS, producing smooth video, though like the HS360E, it lacks a mechanical gimbal. The real advantage is its GPS-powered features, including auto return, follow me, and waypoint flight, making it one of the smartest drones in this price range. With 2 batteries, it delivers a combined 62 minutes of flight time, far outlasting other drones on this list. Compared to the DJI Avata 2, the Atom SE is a more budget-friendly alternative with decent features, but falls behind in camera quality and maneuverability. However, in its price bracket, it outperforms competitors like the Velcase and Holy Stone drones, making it the best overall pick for a mix of fun and functionality. Conclusion. So, which FPV drone is the best? If you're a beginner looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-fly drone, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro or Velcase Drone are solid choices. If you want cinematic quality and pro-level performance, the DJI Avata 2 dominates. However, for the best all-around option that balances price, features, and camera quality, the Potensic Atom S takes the crown. It offers GPS functionality, a 4K EIS camera, and an impressive flight time, making it the best pick for most users. What do you think? Which drone is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and remember, all the links are in the description. Check them out. See you in the next video.